my brain could burst open in happiness.
Yeah, me too.
Wait, are we arriving soon? Remember, we're in a plane.
Yeah, and you know what? We're going to Orlando too.
To see the boyfriend of the boyfriend. Oh, my dog! He's my boyfriend too. Okay, everyone, we have landed. Hey! Whoop whoop! Where's my girlfriend? We're here, boyfriend.
Oh yes, you made it. Oh yeah.
I made it too. Remember, I'm your girlfriend too.
Yeah. This is for both. Yay!
Yay! I love you.
I love you too.
I love you.
I love you.
As the other dog.
I love you too, babe.
We're finally here.
Come on.
We're gonna meet a turtle too, and I just saw him.
But wait.
Hey, you made it.
Hey.
Yeah. I know that you can't swim, but you can still watch us.
Okay, but wait.
Do you think this was a good idea after all?
No.
Maybe you could watch us swim from up there so you don't get splashed.
Okay. But how would we walk? Everything is water.
No, there's not. Look.
Okay, come on.
Whee! This is fun. Whee! Wow.
Woo.
This is so much fun swimming in the sea. Come on, cats, you can watch us swim. Okay, we're coming. Woo! We're getting a little wet, no. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It's just a little bit. Woo, woo, woo. Let's see how the cats are going.
Yeah.
We need to save her. Okay, I got her on my back. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Wait, don't die, my glasses!
The gorilla's got him, and he'll give it to you.